How to fix Hogwarts Legacy stuck in a breakable wall/barrel issue. To fix Hogwarts Legacy stuck in a breakable wall/barrel issue, try reloading your latest autosave, if any. Warning, if you load a save while playing, you will lose all progression you haven't saved. Here are the steps you can follow. 1. Access the settings in field guide to save/load and exit. 2. Choose save game. 3. Carefully select a save slot to overwrite your save file. FYI, there should be 4 different character slots that include 5 autosave slots and 10 manual save slots each.